Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money on Playtestcloud. But for what is Playtestcloud? Playtestcloud is a platform that connects game developers with real players who provide valuable feedback on their games. How can you make money on Playtestcloud, you might be wondering. Now, how you can make money on Playtestcloud is by 1. You have to sign up and create a profile. You have to sign up and create a profile. Now, how do you do this? Simple. You have to register on the Playtestcloud platform. Then complete your profile accurately, including your gaming preferences, device information, demographics. This helps match you to relevant playtest. 2. Participate in playtest. You need to browse available playtests and apply for those that interest you. Once selected, you receive instruction on how to participate. This usually involves playing a game, providing feedback through surveys or video recordings, and sometimes participating in live interviews. 3. You get paid. Playtestcloud offers various payment methods such as PayPal or gift cards, so you can get paid using either of the two. The amount you earn depends on the playtest, and it varies depending on factors like the duration of the test, the complexity of the game, and the quality of your feedback. So always provide high quality feedback. Be honest, constructive, and detailed in your feedback. There's a tip for success. The second tip is complete the test on time. Adhere to the deadlines and instructions provided for each playtest. The third tip is to maintain a good reputation. Deliver high quality feedback consistently to increase the chances of getting selected for more playtests. 4. Explore different types of tests. Playtestcloud offers a variety of tests, including gameplay tests, surveys, and usability tests. So you need to try different tests to find what you enjoy the most. Playtestcloud is a platform that connects players with game developers. The amount of money you can earn will depend on your participation, availability of playtests, and your feedback quality. By providing valuable feedback and maintaining a positive reputation, you can potentially earn a decent income by participating in playtests on Playtestcloud. I hope you found this video helpful on how to make money on Playtestcloud. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.